How to avoid eating too much trans fat. Trans fats are unsaturated fatty acids found naturally in foods such as meat, dairy, eggs, fish, nuts, seeds, avocados, olives, and olive oil. Trans fats are unhealthy because they raise LDL cholesterol levels and lower HDL cholesterol levels. The American Heart Association recommends limiting consumption of these fats to less than 2 grams per day. Trans fats are bad for your health. They raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Trans fats are found in processed foods such as cookies, crackers, cakes, pies, French fries, fried chicken, and other baked goods. They also appear naturally in meat and dairy products.
How to avoid eating too much trans fat.
Eat more vegetables and fruits. Drink water instead of soda. Limit sugary foods. Cut down on red meat. Try new recipes. Cook at home. Use healthy cooking methods. Make salad dressing with olive oil instead of margarine.